Meet our shop dog, Finnley, a hypoallergenic Brittany Spaniel. She loves hanging out at the shop and making as many friends as she can. First, pet her. This step is multitasking friendly. Are you answering emails or scrolling TikTok but still want to be Finnley's friend? This is a great step. She likes being pet under her chin, along her back, and light scratches on the ears. Throw something. Finnley keeps a small supply of toys that she would very much like you to throw for her, retrieve, and bring back so you can throw again. Repeat as many times as you'd like. Tug of War. Finnley also loves Tug of War. If she brings you a toy, try to take it from her. She will try to take it back. Don't let go. Belly rubs. Finnley loves belly rubs. When she rolls on her back like this, she wants a belly rub for sure. More belly rubs. Finnley's second favorite thing to do with her friends is more and more belly rubs. She can never get enough. Share. Finnley has lots of friends. Be sure to let Finnley play with all of her friends. She's a very popular dog. Naps. Having so many friends is exhausting for such a dog. Let her have a break every once in a while. Finally, even more belly rubs. This is the last and most important step. Congratulations, you're now in the Finnley's Friends Club. What is your favorite moment that you've had with Finnley at the shop so far?